348.
Hello and welcome to Stateroom 6628 here at Deck 6. This is a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with a veranda, aka a balcony. It's got a nice queen-size bed for Mackenzie and I with a TV directly across from it. I will be honest, there's a pretty, almost 100% chance that TV will not turn on the entire time around the ship. I almost said a week, but it's only 3 days. This is how the rooms look when they're set up for bedtime. Out here we do have a veranda. What? Who is that? It is Kate and Jackson.
Hello.
Kids are not included, but it is a nice sized balcony. It's not the biggest balcony you've ever seen, but it's plenty of room front to back. It's not real cramped like I've seen on some of these. Left to right, not a ton of room. This is the busy Port Canaveral terminal here, Disney Cruise Line's terminal number 8, which is where the Disney Wish sails out. As we head back into the room here, you can see that it has a nice curtain that pulls shut, so at nighttime, and create some separation between us and the kids. One of the things that's unique about Disney cabins are their bathrooms are typically split into 2 different parts. So here we've got a bathtub and a shower and a sink. It's a little bit tight, but it's still nice that it's separate. So if somebody has to use a bathroom while somebody else is in the shower, you can do that. I'm not sure I would want to use a bathtub in here, but it's Disney, so lots of little kids, and for a little kid, this would be perfectly fine. It is nice that it has plenty of height. This is over 6 feet. It's probably 6'3", 6'4" from the ground to that shower faucet, and it's got, of course, your signature body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. I love Disney's shampoo and conditioner and body wash, just the smell of it. Got a thermostat over here, doesn't tell you what the temperatures are, but of course you just always go to as cold as possible, because that's what people do that are staying here in Florida. And then over here you've got your split bathroom, like I said. You've got another sink in here, a toilet. It's a little bit cramped, but it'll be fine, and another mirror. So this is it, guys. Other thing to mention here that I meant to is here we've got sliding doors with these lights that automatically turn on. Got some shelves in here with a mini safe, and then you've got another side here with, instead of being shelves, this is where you'll be able to hang things. And of course you've got your life jackets at the top. This is room 6628. Like I said, this is a Deluxe Family Oceanview Stateroom with veranda. That is a mouthful. Well, if you're wondering what are the rooms like, this is one of them here on the Disney Wish on Deck 6. So if you're ready, we are. Let's go.